Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to be telling you how we're going to do it. How I got and how you guys can do it. That's here. So in the background, you're watching me push my Mr. P. Mr. P is very fun. In my opinion, I might not be the best with him. Sometimes I just spam. Yeah, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to get a max tier Edgar. Okay, this is mostly for my friend. He's been trying to get a max tier Edgar. So his is around 800 trophies. So this is how I did this guide for Primo. I thought maybe it would be better to just see audio. Because the guide, I was kind of just like, I don't know, like, it was harder to make. I just had to go back and put stuff like this. So the main thing to remember when you're playing is that, like, his counters who you're gonna want to do against. Edgar can be really good against throwers who can't do much when you get on, especially like a not so good Grom, because there's a lot of them, and Grom has no counters against them. So if you play against a Grom, jump him, and basically most of the time you will get a kill. But you also have to recognize that Edgar kind of sucks, but there's no skill, so you could get a max tier. So Edgar is gonna die to a lot of brawlers. Most of the time I'm not scared when I see Edgar, but as you see here, when I'm playing Mr. P, and Edgar can be scary because I can't really do that much against Edgar because he can just jump on me. But just because Edgar is no skill and can get, like, he can get easy kills, he can also get jumped. He could still be really good in Showdown, which is my favorite mode to push in. The reason Showdown is my favorite mode to push in, especially Solo Showdown, is 3 reasons. So, Solo Showdown, like duels, is completely based on you, not how your teammates play. So it could be really easy. Or duo showdown could be really good. Definitely don't play him in the knockout, because a lot of the time, like, Piper is pretty good against him if there's a good Piper. He could be really good to just do good damage to eyes, and even ball to just get the ball and jump out and just get a kill. But yeah, I'm also playing Showdown. But he does have a lot of counters. But if you can get those, he's a really good box breaker, so you could get a lot of boxes early on and destroy the entire lobby if you use those boxes. Now, before I finish this, remember that I'm not that good. This is mostly just like a little bit, but I'm not that good at the game, like only 20,000. So if you're not getting max tier, it's because Edgar sucks. And also, anyway, I would probably play Edgar in Showdown, but if you don't like Showdown or something, I'll play him in just to do maximum damage size. And you could be really good if you're really good at high school. So someone like Pro and Colette can do a lot of damage to PC or Chuck. You could just be really good at high school. Or you could pair him with good ball. I got him next to a bunch of them. So Edgar's notable main counters, I told you could count counters if you're not good. Just brawlers that you could jump on, especially brawlers, support brawlers. But definitely not against damage brawlers. Other success. How you can see that? I I don't know if it's this game, but I got a master's degree. I don't actually know what that is. I think it's like maybe this game. Or did I might have already passed it, it doesn't matter. I kind of got hard carried a lot. It's still a few games where I did really good. Anyway, back. Mostly, you should get power 11. The combo I would go with, the charge one can be really good in other game modes, but I would say in solos, I would play the shield because that way you could just easier take down with more health other brawlers. Other modes, maybe the other one, especially like knockout or if you want to jump back up. And star power, definitely not hard landing. I actually don't know how good that is. That's just the one I have. I thought it was good when I first got it. I have the other one, which I should use more. Also, I'm trying to think. To get maximum value, especially in solos, you should play more aggressive. Whereas like with Bruno, I would play more of a hiding. With Edgar, you could be more aggressive if you know who to be aggressive against. And if you're being aggressive against brawlers who are good against, you can be very good. When you first get, you're gonna fail. Especially in mixed up with Edgar, I would just recommend playing with people. If solo showdowns is working and you don't like showdown, like I said before, you're gonna need a lot of good players to play with. Do not play with randoms in anything when pushing high brawlers. Like you could do that to like 500, but like after that, it's a lot harder because randoms can matter a lot more. Obviously, there we go. There's the masters. Don't know how I got him that time, but he was pretty good. Suck. Anyway, yeah, if you just know what you're doing with Edgar and find out how you like to play him and get good with him, which I guess there's not a lot of skill, but there's definitely skill in terms of showdown. There's like, you need to know when to be aggressive and when to not be aggressive, and who to go against and who not to go against. I won't go that specific. Definitely like be aggressive against spiritual brawlers and brawlers. If you see down like triple jump there, obviously I would recommend to be aggressive against them. But if they don't look that good, they don't have skill dash, easy counters. And most of the time they can't even get this one. So I don't know. It just depends, like what kind of player you are. So if you have a main wall,